One of the most common questions beginner ask is, should I learn Playwright with Python or JavaScript? And honestly, both are good. But for modern browser automation, JavaScript has some very important advantages. First of all, Playwright supports multiple programming languages like JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Java, C Sharp. So technically, you can use Playwright in any of these languages that you want to. Then why we are choosing JavaScript? So then what is the reason? Okay, the very first reason is that Playwright was originally built around JavaScript. Playwright libraries and everything Playwright was created for was for the Node.js ecosystem, which is based on JavaScript. That means most Playwright examples, the documentation you will find, right, which is strongest in JavaScript and TypeScript, and even Playwright community support that is very much better with JavaScript. And the tutorials you will see mostly they are available in JavaScript. And second reason which is also important is, like, we know browsers already they are using JavaScript, and web browsers, websites themselves are heavily built using JavaScript. So when we automate browsers using JavaScript, everything feels more connected and more natural. That is the reason two. And then reason third is like JavaScript is better for modern web automation. So most modern Playwright automation frameworks today use Playwright plus TypeScript, especially in real software companies. Why? Because it provides better autocomplete, better code structure, easier debugging, and better scalability for large frameworks. Reason four is like we have huge JavaScript ecosystem. It works very smoothly with Node.js, NPM, CI/CD pipelines, front-end applications, and modern web technologies. So this doesn't mean that Python is bad for Playwright. Python is actually excellent for API automation, data processing, backend scripting, AI and machine learning, simple automation scripts. So, but if your main goal is like modern browser automation, learning Playwright deeply, building real automation frameworks, preparing for automation interviews, then JavaScript or TypeScript is usually the better choice. And don't worry, you do not need to become a hardcore JavaScript developer. We will only learn the JavaScript required for Playwright automation step by step. In the next video, we will start learning the fundamentals of JavaScript itself and understand how JavaScript works behind Playwright.